Hi, here's Marcus from ProLicense.
And I'm Ben from IBM.
And maybe you ask yourself, how do I get an offer for Oracle third-party support from us? So Ben, how does it work?
Easy question, easy answer. Basically, we need two data sources. The first is the amount of software licenses you will use in our support when it starts. So if you currently have deployed 1,000 licenses and you will use it later on in the Oracle third-party support with IBM, the answer is 1,000. Second data source is the service history. So we'd like to have the service tickets at least from the last 24 months. If you don't know how to grab such service history, we can easily assist you with an instruction. So that's all we need to offer you a proposal.
Yes. So what are you running? What is your ticket history? You can download that from the Oracle support portal, and then you will get an offer within some days. So test us. Bye-bye.
Bye.